channel Walk and Talk with Jesus. This is Soumya. I trust you're all doing well. Today let's talk about candles. For few, candles are really necessary in their houses because of the power cuts they have. Growing up as a child, we always have the power cuts and we always used to have candles in our house just in case. Now I don't have any power cuts by God's grace, but I still have candles everywhere in my house because I love them so very much. We use candles for many reasons. One is for the light purpose when we are in the dark or when there is power cut, as we talked about before. And we also use the candles for fragrance purposes. There are many candles available right now in different kinds of flavors, the spices flavors or the fruit, flowers, and all different kinds of flavors, which are really good. Candles are used in many ways. And one of the common uses of candles is to light it up for the light. Especially when we have any power cuts during the night time, we need a candle so that we are not in the dark. And when you light up this candle, the heat of the flame will start melting this wax and it drops down, and that's how it gives us the light. And when I look at this process, I remember the life of Jesus Christ. Just like this candle have to sacrifice and burn through and give us the light so that we will not be in the dark place anymore, Jesus Christ has to come to this world when we were still sinners, when we were in the darkest place. He had to take up the cross, he had to die on the cross so that he could give us the gift of salvation, to bring this bright light into our lives, to make us righteous. And we also use the candles for the fragrance purposes, especially when you cook and it smells all over the place. You don't want the smell in your bedroom or you don't want the smell in the living room. We just try to use the candles for good smell. And there are also some candles that actually absorbs the smells, like absorbs the bad smells or any stinky odors, and gives out this good fragrance that they has in them. So when I look at this process, I also remember Jesus Christ again here. As we are using these candles to shift the atmosphere, to shift the smell from bad odors to good odors, or to make it pleasant and invitable, and to feel like home, or to be comfortable, just like that, when we are in his presence, that's how we feel like. He changes the atmosphere, he brings the peace down, he is the Prince of Peace. In his presence we find joy, we find delight, the glory of the God will be manifested, and the whole atmosphere will be changed. So friends, I think we have to take these qualities and learn these qualities and apply into our lives from the candle, as we can also see that it so much resembles with the life of Jesus Christ as well. As Jesus was the light to the world, we have to be the light to the people around us. We have to brighten the lives of the people around us, help them to walk in a right way, and show them the love of the Lord, and pour the grace and be there for them all the time. And while doing this, you might not get the appreciations all the time. You might not get the recognition all the time. Just like candles, they have to burn through to give this light out. The same way we have to burn through sometimes to give this light out to the people around us. And it's okay, because Jesus did the same, and we have to follow his footsteps. We are his children and we have to take his legacy. And that is the reason why you are in this world today. Let's create an impact of the presence of the Lord when we are around people, by taking his presence with us all the time. Also, just like those fragrances that are released from these candles, we also should release the fragrances from our lives. The fragrances, they invite people, they make them feel comfortable, will be so happy. You cannot sit in a stinky place for long, but whereas if you have a very good aroma, the soothing smells, you want to sit some more time, you want to spend some more time in that kind of environment. So we also should be the atmosphere shifters, just like Jesus. Again, we are his children, we have to follow his footsteps, and that is what he's expecting from us to do. When we are around the people, they should be able to notice that difference in that atmosphere, carrying that peace wherever we go, bringing his love down into that atmosphere, changing the atmosphere. There could be agony, there could be pain, there could be suffering, but when we walk in, we have to release this fragrance, we have to change the atmosphere. So friends, let us be the atmosphere shifters, let us be the light to the people around us, and to find their lives to be brightened through the love of Christ. So friends, from now on, whenever you see the candles, just say this prayer that, yes Lord, make me a light to the people around me, and make me a fragrance, not just to the people but also to you. Thank you so much for watching this video, friends. Please comment down below if you have any prayer requests. Also, please comment down below if Lord is speaking to you through the candles, any other stuff. Please put that down. Fill our inbox so that the friends who are watching our videos and are going through the comments, they will be encouraged. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and mash that bell button if you haven't yet, so that you'll be notified whenever we upload our new videos. Thank you so much for all your time. God bless you all. You have a blessed day. Bye-bye.